Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning voice control on so the phone listens locally. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control, tap Setup and let the models download. Make sure you allow microphone access and pick the language you'll use. Once done, toggle voice control on. You'll see a blue microphone icon when active. This local control avoids sending audio to the cloud and gives you immediate command responsiveness, so you can control the device. Now you'll practice real interactions and set custom commands to speed tasks. Use core commands like open, tap, swipe, scroll, and say to type. Say show numbers to reveal tappable overlays. To customize, go to Settings Voice Control Commands, create new command, give it a phrase, assign an action or custom text, and limit it to an app if needed. Doing this makes repetitive tasks one spoken phrase, so you save taps and stay efficient. Finish by practicing toggling voice control and adjusting language or accent for accuracy. Go to Settings Voice Control Language to add or switch languages. Make sure you test commands in the apps you use most and refine custom phrases for clarity. If commands fail, restart the iPhone, check microphone access, and reinstall language models in voice control settings. That fixes recognition errors most often. If problems persist, temporarily disable Bluetooth accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.